Right, so actually at the Amiga then, I've already installed the software. So if I go into my Amiga OS and into prefs or preferences, and right at the top there, these FastIDE prefs. We need to just ignore these at the top for now and just go with the FastIDE settings. So at the moment it's set as PIO 0 and then Gale in brackets. So essentially, well not essentially, it is how the Gale chip runs IDE. So I now come out of prefs and we'll go into sysinfo so that we can do a speed test on the drive. So this is on PIO 0. Yeah, so not very fast at all. So it's 1659139. Yeah, not very fast at all. So now if we come out of sysinfo and we go back into us prefs, and now we'll change, I'll only change channel 1 because I don't have channel 2 enabled, so I'll just change channel 1 and I'll put it all the way up to PIO 4 and save that. So now if I go into sysinfo, drives, DH0, speed, we now have an improvement. Not much of an improvement because if you have like accelerator cards and this, that and other, that'll actually boost it more as well. I'm actually thinking of getting a ACA 1234 at some point, which actually has the ability to boost the IDE speed, so I'll get even more speed than what I've got at the moment, but this will do for now. So we've got a slight improvement on that, which is better than nothing. So let's come out of this and say, like, if I go into work now, you can see they are actually opening up slightly faster than they would be normally. Not much, but it does open up a lot faster than it was. And yeah, so yeah, that's it then. I will put a link to the actual boards in the description and a link to the software that is used for the boards as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.